This CBT question looks like a copied note. Don't be intimidated by the question. The question says, a voltmeter containing silver trioxonitrate 5 solution was connected in series to another voltmeter containing copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solution. When a current of 0.200 ampere was passed through the solution, 0.780 gram of silver was deposited. Calculate the mass of copper that will be deposited in the copper voltmeter. Take the atomic mass of copper to be 63.5, that of silver to be 108, and 1 Faraday as 96,500 coulombs. Now sit back as I solve this the chemist AI way. Stay tuned. Now, in questions like this, what you will do is to be sure that there is more than one voltmeter. In this case, there are two voltmeters. A voltmeter containing silver trioxonitrate 5 solution and a voltmeter containing copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solution. And also, there is one current that is passed in the two voltmeters. This will now bring us to Faraday's second law, which says that if same current is passed through different electrolytes, the mass deposited is proportional to the equivalent mass. This is Faraday's second law, that mass deposited is proportional to equivalent masses of the elements. And according to this law, mass of copper deposited is directly proportional to equivalent mass of copper, and mass of silver deposited is also proportional to the equivalent mass of silver. Therefore, the second law equation according to this question is mass of copper over mass of silver deposited equals equivalent mass of copper over equivalent mass of silver. Now, equivalent mass in chemistry means atomic mass divided by valency. For copper, atomic mass of copper is 63.5 and the valency of copper is 2 plus. Therefore, the equivalent mass of copper is 63.5 divided by 2, and that is 31.75. For silver, the atomic mass is 108 and the charge of silver is +1, meaning that it is monovalent. So the equivalent mass is 108 over 1, which is 108 grams. Having gotten this, you check the mass deposited, and the question is, calculate the mass of copper deposited. So you substitute the values. Mass of copper deposited over mass of silver, which is 0.780, equals equivalent mass of copper, which is 31.75, over equivalent mass of silver, which is 108. If you make mass of copper the subject of the formula and cross multiply, you will see that the mass of copper deposited is 0.780 times 31.75 all over 108. And if you press calculator, you are going to get 0.229, approximately 0.23 grams. This is the mass of copper deposited. I hope you got value. If you did, click on like, comment, share the video, tag your friends, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel.